What's up, everybody? I don't know if you can see this, but we've got more than one kayak loaded up. Got my Hobie right there. Got my old Ascend right there. And obviously I can't be in two at one time. That must mean somebody else is going. And that's true. Logan is gonna go with me. He's actually gonna fish our next kayak tournament with us on South Holston. So we are headed to South Holston today to do a little bit of pre-fishing, let him get comfortable in the kayak. He fished out of it a couple times last year, but it's been, that was probably June, July last year. So he's gonna get familiar, probably do a little fun tournament between the two of us, maybe a little 3-fish deal or something. I'll see how he's feeling, but he should be here any minute, and we're gonna head to the lake. We'll see you guys out there. Well, we had this great idea where we were gonna go to this park. It had a nice ramp, everything. Park's closed they don't open till April the 5th. So we end up in this backwoods spot on rocks and beer bottles. But we got lucky to find what we found. But that's what it looks like. Have no idea, I've never fished this, but it don't look bad. We're gonna get everything unloaded and get out here on the water. Got one. Got one. Nice little start to the day. Look how white he is. He ain't been up here long. Got him on a square bill. Huh? A little small, like a 13.5-inch smallmouth probably.
Was he right up on the bank or about? I thought about cranking that rock back there, but I didn't. Right. Got one. No, he's not big. I don't know. Caught a bluegill. Yes. A damn bluegill. No, it's in the lip. I got one. It's a big one. I got a big one. It's a big one, dude. Oh my God. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah. Crankbait. It ain't too big, but it's a good one. Yeah. Oh, it's a good one, son. Yes. Okay. Alright, buddy, you just stay right there. Alright. He's 17 and a half. Damn it. Well, 17 and a quarter.
I'm gonna bring his Kayak plumb through the gut there. Do what? Yeah. On this cast. Got one. Oh, he come off. That looks like a good smallmouth. He's gotta be more than that. Got one. Small. Why do I gotta catch the small one and lose the big one? No.
Got one. Biggin. God, biggin. Oh my God. That's a real big dude. That's a giant. Yep. Dude. Oh my God, dude, it's big. Oh my, please stay hooked up, baby. Please stay hooked up. Matt, I need your scale. That might be like a 5-pounder. Yeah, I got him. It's just 4. Probably just a 4-pounder. Oh my God, I can't believe how fat that fish is, dude. He's only like 18 and a half. Look how wide that fish is.
His eyes are red.
Huh?
I said his eyes are red.
Take my picture real quick.
Need to check MLS. Oh, there's one. Good one. Stop. rock crawler. I don't think he's hooked good. That motherfucker stopped it dead, so. Got him. That's like 17. That's a good one. I ain't never really caught many smallmouth on this chatterbait. I remember you caught, oh my god, dude. There was one that was tracking my chatterbait and I just saw it. Big smallmouth. He saw the boat and he went back underneath me. Just where the sun's high. I mean on the S Waver. It's a smallmouth too. Oh my god, dude. Not as big as you'd think. Oh my god. That was badass. I was standing up watching it, and it was in the back of that pocket. There was some laydowns.
Yeah, right here where I caught that.
He was just bringing it by there, and I was watching it. Dude, that thing shot out in the shower like a rock. He just murdered it. Had all
Like,
the
he was in the shower?
He was in the shower and shot out too.
Dang.
I mean, it's like a saltwater bite. And it went. It's just got heavy enough line and enough back on it. Hello? Dog, I just caught another one on it. A good smallmouth. He hit it right at the boat and it scared the ever-loving shit out of me. Like, he hit it and took off and it was like you hooked into a damn 10-foot shark at the beach. It's a 19-something incher, I bet.
Yeah. I got one. Yep. Yep. Oh my God, dude. It's huge. Oh my God, no, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't come on. Yes. Another good one. Short and fat.
Every second, maybe. Basically enough to like pull it tight, and then it gets slack, and then pull it tight, and then it gets slack. It's got to have that slack line to glide. It won't. Got another one. Got another one. Barely good, but God, they're so strong. He ain't that big. Oh my God, dude. $16.5 glide bait fish, number 3. Holy cow, what a day. I mean, just insane. Logan smashed it. He had 89 inches today. I had 83.5, which is also a really good limit. I'm just speechless. This probably goes up there as top 2 or 3 days on the water I've ever had. I've caught bigger fish, I've caught more fish, but the fact that both of us were out there on the kayaks, we both had great limits, caught those fish on the S Waver, that's the story for today. One of my goals this year was to catch fish on that S Waver, on the glide bait, and build some confidence in that bait. Not only did I catch one, I caught 3 in the last hour on that thing, and they were awesome. Violent strikes. I mean, sweet. I had 2 other followers that I didn't get, and that's going to be pretty interesting. The lake looks like it's starting to turn over on the upper end, so if we lose our water clarity, that glide bait probably won't be a factor. The crankbait, the rock crawler, seemed to be probably what caught the most fish for us today. Did catch some on a Kayak, caught one on a square bill. Logan caught a good one on a jerkbait and a jig. So just seemed like the area and putting it in front of a fish is what mattered. If you put that bait in front of a fish that was active, if they were up shallow, they were going to eat it. So we'll see. We're both really excited for the tournament. Not sure when you're going to see this video. I may just go ahead and throw it out there because I don't think there's going to be anybody else on a kayak at that spot. It's public access, but it's not a ramp. Kind of hard to find, kind of hard to get to on a part of the lake that doesn't have a lot of access. So not too worried about that. And like I said, the lake's probably turning over. We saw that on the upper end, so the way we caught them today is probably going to be different. But we'll see. I'm either going to release it the day of the tournament, or I'm going to release it ahead of time. But whatever. Do me a favor, go down, hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. I don't care what you leave. Just say something and I will respond. I love talking to you guys, and that really helps me out a lot. So we'll see you out there for the tournament this coming weekend. Hope y'all enjoyed it, because man, did we have fun, and we'll see you soon.